Hey people! Welcome to the Everything in Review channel. Today we have a very special video for you. Let's talk about a product that has generated a lot of curiosity and that promises to revolutionize the way we deal with sugar in our daily lives. The Sugar Defender. If you are thinking about purchasing this product, stay with me until the end of this video. Before you spend your money, it's important to know all the details and know if it's really worth it. That's why I did this review, to help you make the best decision. In this video, I will show you how Sugar Defender works, what are its main benefits, and the transformation it can cause in your health. And stay tuned! It is essential to purchase Sugar Defender only on the company's official website to ensure the authenticity and quality of the product. Therefore, I left a link in the description to the official website, so don't miss it. Well, many people ask, what happens if my blood sugar doesn't improve or I don't lose weight? Well, Sugar Defender has helped thousands of people safely lower their blood sugar and lose weight quickly, simply, and from the comfort of home. Sugar Defender is powerful and effective support for keeping blood sugar levels stable and providing energy throughout the day. Countless people use it daily with excellent results, and so far, we have not had any complaints. As your body adapts to the ingredients, you will notice a reduction in your appetite, more energy, and better blood glucose readings. Every Sugar Defender contains 8 carefully chosen ingredients, 100% natural to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Eleuthero, which increases energy and reduces fatigue. Coleus, which helps burn fat. Maca root, which increases your energy levels. African mango, which also acts as a fat-burning agent. Guarana, which accelerates metabolism. Gymnema, which contributes to heart and blood sugar health. Ginseng, which helps support healthy glucose levels. Chromium, which helps reduce obesity and blood pressure. Based on principles of modern science, its formula is both gentle and very effective, using pure plant ingredients and natural minerals. Sugar Defender has provided incredible support for blood sugar control in men and women of various ages, from their 30s to their 70s. Furthermore, you can rest assured knowing it is manufactured in the United States in a state-of-the-art FDA registered and GMP certified facility. Now, let's talk about how to use Sugar Defender and the guarantees you have when purchasing the product. Each person is unique, so the time to start seeing results may vary. Most people notice a difference within the first week. In our testing, the best results are achieved when you use Sugar Defender consistently for at least 3 months to allow the body to cleanse, restore, and renew itself. That's why I strongly recommend that you take advantage of the discount packages with 3 or 6 bottles. To use Sugar Defender, place 2 droppers full under your tongue in the morning before breakfast. Hold the solution under your tongue for 30 seconds before swallowing to maximize absorption. If you find the flavor too strong or prefer another form of consumption, you can dissolve both drops in a glass of water and drink it once or divide into 2 portions. You will love the results and notice the difference with each drop. Now, I want you to be more than satisfied with your purchase. I want you to be excited. And you will only know if you try it. The company offers a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked, for 60 days. The only way to be fully convinced is to try this incredible formula and see the results for yourself. To ensure you are purchasing the original product and guarantee the purity of the ingredients, only purchase from the official website, exactly as I said at the beginning. Your order will be shipped directly to your home or office using premium carriers like FedEx or UPS. To purchase Sugar Defender, simply make a single payment on the product's official page. There are no future payments required to enjoy the benefits of this product. The site is highly secure, using cutting-edge technology, such as SSLs, to keep your information safe and private. Then, are you suffering from constant midday energy slumps, brain fog, or irritability? Support healthy blood sugar levels, boost your natural energy throughout the day, and promote clearer thinking with the Sugar Defender formula. This highly effective formula is proven to help maintain a healthy metabolism and optimize blood sugar levels. Well, this video has come to an end. Thank you all for watching this review. I hope this video helped and that you are satisfied with the product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. See you in the next video and take good care of your health.